everybody, it's Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a quick haul. Well, I don't know how quick it's gonna be, but anyway, I'll try to make it fast. I got stuff from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Target, and a garage sale. So I'm gonna jump right in and kind of show you what I got. A couple things I already started using, so it's not in this video, but I did get, and I'll probably go shopping more this week because I realized my Halloween stash is like low. Anyway, so let me just show you. So I got these pins from the Dollar Tree. They're adorable. You get 12 of these little pins for $1, and I really love Frankenstein and these pumpkins. I think they're adorable. So I'll be putting those in Happy Mail. I'm gonna set them to the side. I already used a skeleton because if you are looking at or if you follow my Instagram, then you've seen that I just did a DIY remake of this coffin for my friend. So I cut out one of the skeletons and used it already. But yeah, I'll be using these bad boys in something. And then I got some white crepe paper. And I got, now they had a whole bunch of colors, but I wanted to test it out first to see if it works. But this is a paint pen at the Dollar Tree. I was tripping. So I got silver because I already have a gold one, but we might as well test it out since, you know, we're right here. You know what I mean? So let me find it, get a piece of paper, open this thing up. Get a piece of paper. Let's see if I can find some paper real quick. Well, let's try black. It's just a scrap piece of paper. I'm gonna shake it up because it says shake up and down with cap on before use. Then it tells me to press the tip down until the paint begins to flow. So let's see. Okay, no paint is flowing yet. Oh, I see it. It's coming. Slowly but surely. I might fast forward this part in the video because I don't think you guys want to see me like pressing down on this pen. We'll see. There we go. It's starting to show up. Wow. I'll probably have to go back and get every single color. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How cool. It works too. Alright guys, the paint pens at the Dollar Tree work. Go pick them up. I'm going back. I need to get them. They had purple and pink and lime green, and I almost bought them all, but I wanted to test it first. So, yep, look at that. It works. And probably if I shake it up and stuff, it would be darker. So, yay. That's a win right there. All right, and got one of these little embellishment boxes. And then I got some of these little cat foam stickers. I thought the cats were adorable. Plus, I don't really have any cat stickers. And then I got some baker's twine, kind of going for those fall colors. And so you see some Hobby Lobby goodness right here. They're pumpkin bells. How cute are these? I mean, they're so adorable, and you can put them on traveler's notebooks. You can use them for tassels. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and they are so cute. I can't wait to go get some more. And I also got some of the pumpkin knickknacks. They're little jack-o'-lanterns. I think they're adorable. And I got these gemstones. I think they're so pretty, and they're perfect for the fall and Halloween. And I found the trim, you guys, that Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram gave me some, and I'm going to back get some more, but it wasn't on sale this week, so I figured I would just get one spool, and then when they get 50% off, I'm gonna buy them all up. And I also got this ribbon with the spiders on it. I thought it was so cute. And I got these fall stickers and I love them. It says Happy Thanksgiving, gobble gobble, pumpkin spice. So cute. I can't wait to use these. And I got some Halloween ones. I love these too. The cat trick or treat, a Halloween candy. I love this. I can't wait to use these in my October daily. And then I got this pumpkin paper. I only picked up one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or what I was gonna use it on yet, but I really love this. I'm gonna leave this here because it's cute. And then you guys, I am dying right now. I went to Target and I haven't seen anybody haul this little pumpkin doll yet, but I guess her name's Miss Pumpkin. I love her so much. Can you see her? I hope she's in the video, like perfectly in the video. She was only $5 and I thought she was so cute. She's a little wonky, you know, she's made out of felt and she was $5, but I had to have her. I thought she was so cute. I mean, I need to see if I can remake this. It's so cute. I love her. I'm gonna set her here. Yeah, I'll put a layer down. And then I also got this O pumpkin. I love it. It was only $3 and it lights up. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but I got an O for Olivia because that's my name. I almost got a CO for Create Odyssey, but then I was like, nah, I just want the O. Anyway, so I got that little cutie. And I also got some of these bags. They're only 50 cents a piece. And they're so cute. So I got 2 of those. Then I got some cat stickers. I think these little puffy stickers are adorable. And I also got some of these puffy stickers. And they've got skulls. I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen them at Target. I adore the ghost. I mean, so cute. I love how they made the skull really girly with the beauty mark. I love it. Okay, so then I got that stuff from Target. And so I go garage selling. I love to garage sell because I find the best stuff. So I found these ribbon, and this one isn't even open, and it's like almost like eyelash yarn. It's so pretty. So this is like a hot pink color, and I got this hot pink, and then I got this green, and I got these polka dots, which this one's almost all gone, but I love this. And so I got all 4 of those, and you guys, I spent $3 on all this stuff, plus I got a storage for my washi tape, and I only spent $3. And I also got these, they're jewelry boxes, but I'll be using them for Happy Mail, and I also got them in gold. I know this is like Christmas, but I had to show you guys because, yeah. And so the prices on it is not what I spent. The lady gave me a great deal. And then also I got these goodie boxes. I'm probably gonna hoard this one, but I'm gonna give 2 of them away because I love my people. But I gotta show you. So you could actually use them for an ornament, but they are goodie boxes. Look how cute. I mean, look. Oh my gosh. I was like dying. And then I was thinking, I probably could make those too. So we'll see. There might be a future video coming up. But how stinking cute. So I got all of that. And like I said, a washi storage for like $3. I was tripping, you guys. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my haul. Be sure to subscribe if you're not and like this video. Bye.